Ohayo! Punta tayo sa Universal Studios Japan today. From Namba Oriental Hotel, we took the train to Universal City Station, then lakad onte. Tada! USJ na! Tara! Pasok muna tayo sa store. So mabilis kaming nakapasok sa park since we already bought our tickets online. They just scanned our QR at the entrance. I highly suggest to purchase ahead since the queue for buying tickets is so long. Wow, ang daming cute items. Dapat hindi magpabudol. Window shopping lang muna kami na may kasamang fitting. While waiting for Jarek, I saw the minions outside the store. I really want a photo with them, but Jarek's not here yet. It's too late when he's arrived. Kain muna tayo. Nakalimutan, di pa nga pala kami nag-breakfast kahit lunchtime na kasi excited ang mga person. We're here at Louis New York Pizza Parlor. Jarek ordered the 4 cheese with honey and I got the Christmas special pizza. To Mario. We are finally here! Kakaiba yung feeling na parang pumapasok talaga kami dun sa green pipe ng game. Feeling ko para ulit akong walang problema na bata. Ang saya lang. Halata naman, di ba? After ng pipe, entrance na sa mismong Mario World. This is it. Timed entry namin is 12 p.m.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Wow!
Sobrang na-amaze talaga kami kasi first time namin. And aside from that, ang ganda lang talaga. Marami lang talagang people because you can stay until you want kasi pag nag-exit ka na, you must reserve an entry time through the app again. Humiram muna ako ng Yoshi headband para naman belong ako sa place, diba? Look yung isang bata na ka-Mario. Ako naman yung trusted sidekick niya. Yay! Let's go to Mario Kart Bowser Challenge ride. So here you'll ride a car like a Mario race car while wearing 3D glasses. And will race just like the game. The queue was quite long since it's a fun ride, also famous, but honestly I didn't enjoy much because I get dizzy from 3D rides. After the ride, mas marami ng people and since we have to visit other attractions, we made our way to the exit.
Bye-bye, Mario!
Dito naman tayo sa isa pang masayang place, Happiness Cafe. Tara, merienda tayo ng minions. Hindi ko sure kung lunch namin to or snack talaga kasi kanin kinakain ko. Strawberry mousse, bacon burger, Mario, chicken and waffles. Super adorable na food. And syempre, masarap talaga siya. Habang kumakain kami, iniisip na namin yung next naming kakainan. Pupuntahan pala. Next stop is the Harry Potter world. We tried Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey na parang 3D roller coaster indoor ride. Then, Flight of the Hippogriff, which is an outdoor roller coaster. For me, mas na-enjoy ko yung outdoor ride compared sa indoor ride. But maganda rin naman yung indoor ride, lalo na yung parang may highlights na movie feels kasi may pinapakita siyang show. And also, it feels like you're really part of it, so it's still a must-try. Mabilis lang talaga akong mahilo kapag 3D, so that's why.
Papalamig lang, mainit? Wow!
Ganda!
What? That's it, Panset? It's like 30 seconds.
Last ride namin was Jaws, wherein you will ride a tour boat which will visit movie-like places and be attacked by a shark. Super suspense and nakakagulat talaga siya. That's the end of our USJ adventure. As usual, thank you for coming with us. Oops! May kainan pa pala. Dinner kami sa may Dotonbori. Since crowded sa City Walk after magutom ng mga taong kasama namin paikot-ikot sa USJ. Okay, bye na talaga. Mata ne!